finish line. And the reason
Morning,
we've done
race
that is
na
so that you
ngayon.
can have a bit more of a run out
Ayan,
and you end up going a little bit faster over that timing mat.
Good morning, good
And then you
morning.
can cruise gently in. Please be mindful. We have volunteers here, we have staff here, and we want them to be safe. Last year we did actually...
Ayan, at magsisimula na ang race. At asan ako? Hanapin nyo kung nasan ako. Ayan. Nakatrek ako na white top. Ayan. Siyempre, nasa unahan si Lodi. Ayan. Ayan, nagdadasal na. Hello. Ayan. At 8 o'clock. Start na. Ayan na nga guys, nakita-kita na rin ang first batch sa ferry. Kaya ito, video-video muna habang hinihintay mag-connect ang bridge. At ito guys, yung nakasampa na sa bridge at naghihintay nang mag-connect ang bridge sa kabila. At ito after 61 kilometers, nasa way na kami. At after 100 kilometers, eto na nga, sa finish line na at nakuha ko na ang medal ko. Yay! At ngayon, chibuga na! Salamat pagkain. Thanks for watching guys!
And the stop signs are up. Good job.